परफेक्ट। आप बताओ सब लोग, आप लोग कैसे हो? सुपर ब्लेस्ड। So yesterday we have done the vocabulary related to which word? Which was the alphabet which we did yesterday? D. And now it's going to be we will first have the alphabet E and then the supporting arrows. So let's move to the E alphabet first. Yes, today's lecture will get recorded. Does it makes a difference that a lecture doesn't get recorded? क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे? Okay. So my students, we will be doing the vocabulary related to E and then we will be doing the sentences. Means we will be supporting the errors in the sentence. कि एक sentence है उसमें कहाँ पे error है, grammatical error, we will support that then after that. So first word we are having is exalt. Exalt का मतलब क्या होता है? वो कहते हैं brag. Rejoice. Rejoice का मतलब क्या होता है? When you feel good. When you feel happy. Applaud. Triumph. These are the words which are used for the word exalt. So find out the word, find out the meaning of the word brag. Brag का meaning find out करो क्या होता है? ब्रैग का मीनिंग क्या होता है? सर्च करो ना गूगल पे. Rejoice we understand when we are very happy. Okay. Brag means जब हम उस चीज को show off करते हैं. That see I am very happy, I am extremely happy, this and that. Rejoice means when we are extremely happy. See, you are not able to see it. ये देखो स्क्रीन पे आपको दिख नहीं रहा. So मैंने exalt word use किया है for the E and the meaning of that word is brag. That means you told me everyone that is show off. After that the word is rejoice. That means happiness. Applaud. Now please check the word applaud. What does that mean? Quickly. जल्दी जल्दी करो. ओके. अपलॉड मीन्स व्हेन यू चेयर समवन, है ना. अप्लॉज तो हमें समझ आती थी. Applause we understand, है ना? When we do clapping for someone, and it is also something sort of cheer up. And applaud is cheer. Now, what is triumph? What is triumph? Triumph means a great victory or an achievement. जब आप बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट करते हो, समझो आपने आईएएस का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम क्लियर कर लिया, तो दैट ऑल्सो इज अ ट्रिम्फ. इट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट. Cracking IAS exam is a triumph. So now I want that you should make a sentence with the word triumph. Yes, please. Yes, triumph is a great success or a victory. Now you are going to make a sentence with the help of this. What should I repeat? रोहित, क्या रिपीट करूं मैं? First word, brag. Brag means when you show off. तुम खुश होते हो, है ना? तुमने कुछ समझ लो ब्रांडेड पहना है, और it is really looking superb on you and you want to show off that, है ना? That is brag. Bragging. He was bragging his attires. इसका मतलब क्या था? कि वो अपने कपड़ों का दिखावा कर रहा था. ठीक है? Cracking UPSC exam will be a great triumph for me. ये तो मैंने ही बना दिया था रवीना. मैंने IAS बोला था. We can easily triumph the IAS when we do hard work. Hard work is the way of triumph. King Aladdin set a great triumph by acquiring the whole India in the 12th century. Mars mission is a great triumph for India. We should rejoice every day in the name of the Jesus Christ. Good. When I will speak fluent English, it is my great triumph. It will be a great triumph for me. Reducing poverty in India will be the triumph for the government. Bright future of the children is the great triumph for the parents. Very nice, Muskan. Okay. Now make a sentence with the help of the word applaud. If you want to achieve triumph in your life, so we need to focus on our goal. If we want to achieve. Very good. Okay, now make the sentence with the help of the word applaud. Applaud means cheering up. Applaud means when you cheer up. When you applaud someone, his confidence gets his confidence increases, his confidence surges. सर्ज इंक्रीज के लिए वर्ड सिखाया था ना मैंने आपको. When player plays, viewers applaud them. Yes, very nice. In the stadium, people applaud for their teams. When she start dancing, everybody applauds her. We should always applaud every little work of our juniors. Good. Everyone applaud her when got emotional after topped in the crowd applaud for 5 minutes. When Virat Kohli hits the boundary, everyone started applauding. Everybody applaud the government work. Everyone starts applaud him when he completed the last run of the final chase. In today's world of cutthroat competition, no one applaud others' work. Okay, I think we are understood with these words. Now the word is obviously when you brag someone means when you show off. Deplore. What is the meaning of the word deplore? Leave, leave, leave. Let's go to the next. Okay, now tell me the meaning of the word deplore. First, search it. Quickly search it. No, we are not going to make the sentence. We are going to know the meaning of the word deplore. Exult, we understand when you praise someone, when you rejoice someone, when you applaud someone, when you. What is vilap karna? To feel something morally bad. Okay. ओके ब्रैग मीन्स है ना आपको खुशी दिखाना एग्जैक्ट उसका उल्टा क्या मतलब है व्हेन यू मतलब व्हेन यू इंसल्ट समवन है ना लेमेंट लेमेंट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड लेमेंट नाउ sorrow bemoan grieve हौसला देना किसी ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਰੁਲਾਉਣਾ Rona is grief. Okay. Now make a sentence with the help of the word lament. Lament के साथ बनाओ. It's demon. It's not demon. An evil spirit. His father gone in deep lament after his mother's death. बिल्कुल सही है sentence. The new students are becoming. When her mother is dead, then everyone are going to her home for lament. When her mother died, everyone went to his house uh, for lament. The poet lament on the pity condition of the slaves. Somebody's people filled with lament. The new students are continuously lamenting the burdenness of the class. He lament the decline in the standards. Okay, you understood the word now. I think everyone has understood. Okay, now move to the word explicit. It's definite. Definite मतलब होता है बिल्कुल ये वाला है ना proportion. Intelligible मतलब intelligently कर रहा. Obvious मतलब clear cut. Apparent is also clear. So explicit is the word used for something that is very much clear, obvious, definite, है ना? Intelligible, apparent, and the antonym of that is hidden. Hidden मतलब जो चीज छुपाई गई हुई है. He lament on the death of his close friend. Vague. Vague is also that is which is unclear, doubtful. Doubtful का मतलब क्या होता है? जब आपको किसी चीज पे शक होता है. Explicit or implicit. Explicit means when something is very clear. Implicit is when something is unclear. So now have you understood this word, everyone? Please tell me, have you understood this word? Explicit. Okay. Now make the sentence with the help of the word intelligible. Okay, I will cover that right now. Muskan, he is very intelligible. Okay. That words are. अगर आपने words लगा दिया, अब तो मैंने इतनी grammar पढ़ा दी है. When it is a plural, you need to use are rather than is. अब गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. प्लीज सी टू इट. नहीं, मैंने ये गलती अब करने ही नहीं देनी है, ठीक है. Poem was clear to me. Very nice. Today's childhood very intelligible. Today's childhood. Today's childhood ये समझ नहीं आया मुझे. We always try to do every work with intelligible. We try to do every work intelligibly, not very. She's brother is not intelligible. She's brother, her brother is not intelligible. You are very intelligible in physics subject. Preposition कहाँ जानी है रोहित? It is very important to be intelligible with the problems to find the solution. I am intelligible about my future. The teacher makes everything intelligible for understanding of the student. My friend is very intelligible in biology. One should be intelligible towards his goals. My brother is very intelligible in all work. His lecture was barely intelligible for most of the students. Okay, clear with these words? Now make the sentence with the word implicit. Implicit behavior always leads to confusions. She got achieve her goal because she have very intelligence. She got achieve her goal because she have very intelligence. We need to practice in our study so that we will so that we can be intelligible in all the subjects. Taxes must not be imposed in implicit way. Taxes must not be imposed. Okay. Rohan is doubtful for this automatic machine. Helping word be lagao. My teacher explained geography subject in explicit behavior. Very nice. Okay, clear. Fine, you are fine with these words. If the MP of the Lok Sabha found implicit for his work, then he will be removed from his position. Some rules were implicit in the agreement. Okay, can we move to the next word now, please? Deceit. Deceit, deception, artifice, डुप्लीसिटी. डिसीड, अब तो मतलब समझ आता है जब किसी चीज का नकली है ना, मतलब आर्टिफिशियल बन जाता है, तो उसका मतलब होता है डिसेप्शन. डिसेप्शन ऑफ द थिंग्स हैव बिकम द फैशन. ठीक है. आर्टिफाइजिंग थिंग्स इज रियली अ क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी. ट्रिचेरी. Treachery is in trend these days. Duplicity. Duplicity is not accepted in an ethical behavior. You understood these words? Deceit के synonyms have you understood? Okay, make the sentence with the help of the word deception. Okay, what is the meaning of the word deceit? Deceit का मतलब है deception, है ना? Deception, artifice. Then no, this motorcycle is decepted in the company. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम. Deception intelligence are more useful in our public policies. Make sure that you take one deception of this agreement. Very nice. China always try to decept the products of the famous brands of the other countries. Nice. Deception meaning in Hindi is जब हम कहते हैं किसी चीज की नकली चीज बनाना, आर्टिफिशियल उसका क्रिएट करना, जैसे हम कहते हैं फर्स्ट कॉपी क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, उन चीज को कहते हैं डिसेप्शन. Almost all the things have their deceptions. Very nice, Ekta. Nowadays, many people are deceptioning to each other like brothers. ये तुझे समझ नहीं आया ज्योतिका, किस लैंग्वेज में बनाया आपने? Today people behave with each other in a deception feeling. Today people are opting decepting behavior. Manufacturing decepted goods is punishable. Some milkmen produce decepted milk. Yes. It has become the trend, or it has become the you can say trend in the trend for the milkmen to produce the decepted milk. Okay, people are obtaining property by deception. Yeah, I do understand this. In this fast generation, easy to make the deception things. Modi ji Man Ki Baat is only a deception speech for the Indians. Indians आएगा. एक हो तो इंडियन होता है. Some milkmen produce deceptive milk. It is the trend of the present times now, right? Yes. Some industries make the okay, ho gaya word deception, deceit. Deceit, deception means duplicacy, duplicate. Okay, now the antonym of that is veracity. It's very difficult to maintain the veracity of the products. Sincerity. Sincerity means मतलब a natural behavior, है ना? Sincerity in the behavior is liked by an ethical person. Truth. Truth. Truth is no doubt very better, but it should be accepted. Honesty is the best policy. Be honest so that you are well recognized by your personality trait. Understood these words? Tell me, my students, have you understood these words? Now you will make the sentences of this. Okay. Now you are going to make the word with the help of the word sincerity. Be honest. Then you got everything in the name of the Jesus Christ. Be honest. One should possess sincerity towards the society. Politicians used verastic methods to make votes from the people. क्या वो verastic methods use करते हैं? Politicians, I don't think so. There should be sincerity in your behavior. मैंने बोल दिया ये sentence. Don't repeat mine. Come up with the new ideas every time. Using sincerity in your words give you priceless smile. Sincerity is the part of our high court. Children should be taught to tell the veracity from the childhood. Yes, be honest in every work so that you get the best results. We need to use the sincerity in our business so that we make the custom so that we can make the customers and retain them. Retain, you understand कि अगर आपका कस्टमर कोई बन गया तो वो आपका ही रहेगा फिर. For that you can use the word. We should respect our national parks with sincerity. We must follow the traffic rules with the sincerity while driving. Sincerity is the best quality to be achieved for any targets. Everyone respect her because of her sincerity. So I think these words are clear. Please try to memorize also because many of your questions will be based on vocabulary. Some of the vocabulary, some of the idioms and phrases and all that. So when if you will be having the good vocabulary, obviously you will be able to choose the right sentence and the right option. Students should be given sincerity. Students should give sincerity in this towards their studies. Students should give sincerity in their studies so that they will get the good result. so that they will get good result. Misfortune tests the sincerity of this friends. Sincerity must be the part of our behaviors. Okay, please let's move to the next sentence now. I think we should move. Should we move to the next sentence? ओके, डिके डिके का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे कोई चीज खराब हो जाना, खत्म हो जाना, कलैप्स कर जाना, दैट इज डिके, है ना? उसके लिए वर्ड होता है डिके का ऑफ कोलैप्स। कोलैप्स मतलब स्मैश हो गया सारा चीज, मतलब वो खत्म होगी, ठीक है? डीकम्पोजिशन, जैसे हम कहते हैं गार्बेज शुड बी डीकम्पोज्ड। डीकम्पोजिशन ऑफ गार्बेज इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ गुड एनवायरमेंट। इज इट? डिट्योरेट मतलब किसी चीज का खराब होना, है ना? प्यूट्रिफिकेशन इज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू गेट यू कैन से डिक्लाइंड, स्पॉइल हो जाना, ठीक है? सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स यूज फॉर द वर्ड डिके. So I want you to make the sentence with the help of the word collapse. Collapse. Decaying plants are used to make fertilizers for cultivation. Economy collapsed during the calamity. In summer season, many fruits have. In summer season, many fruits collapse, not have collapsed. मतलब वो collapse हो जाते हैं. आप एक general statement दे रहे हो. So general statement is always in the present indefinite form. The old buildings has collapsed due to the minor earthquake of the last night. In our solar system, many satellites near to the collapse because there are so many in this space. Many building collapse due to earthquake. Quack nahi hai, quake. Quake. Someone people collapse their opportunities due to their bad company. Some people collapse. The food get collapsed due to the use of impurities in the ingredients. He collapsed and died on the way to the hospital. According to the Big Bang theory, initial two black holes collapsed and formed this universe, formed the universe. This होता है जब कोई चीज आपके पास पड़ी होती है, बड़ी चीज आपके पास थोड़ी पड़ी है. Many plants collapse. इसके लिए वर्ड यूज हो सकता है deteriorate without water, खराब हो जाते हैं. Then it can be the new good word for that, है ना? Temporary relations will collapse one day. The unexpected rainstorm caused the collapse of the roof. There were so many old buildings in the city during the earthquake that collapsed easily. That person वैसे ज्यादा वो चीजों के लिए यूज होता है, collapse हो गया. थिंग्स के लिए ज्यादा यूज होता है, पर्सन्स के लिए यूज नहीं होता. ओके, नाउ वी आर ऑन द एंटोनिम ऑफ दैट इज फ्लरिश. फ्लरिश का मतलब क्या होता है? जब कोई चीज बहुत आगे तक जाती है ना, फैलती है, बढ़ती है, दैट इज फ्लरिश. प्रोग्रेस का मतलब भी यही है, ठीक है. ग्रोथ होनी, वो भी वही है. डेवलपमेंट होनी, किसी चीज में बढ़ना, प्रोग्रेस करना, इज डेवलपमेंट ऑल्सो. So these are the words which are used for this only. So let's move to the word progress. Pandemic has collapsed the economies. Fine. India's economy is going to progress in the later times. Ram's father's Ram's father's business is at progress. This work is in progress. Our bad habits are hindrance in the way of our progress. Earthquake is a major cause to collapse the buildings. There should be the progress in your project, otherwise everything will collapse. It's vital to progress. It's vital to progress technology in every field. It's important to progress technology in every field. Is the sentence grammatically correct? I don't believe that. It's important that technology should progress for every field. मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी हर प्रोग्रेस करे हर फील्ड के लिए, वो सही है. बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. एवरीवन वांट्स प्रोग्रेस इन हिज लाइफ. यस. एंड मेरी क्लास में तो सबको चाहिए होगी, ये नहीं. कोई ऐसा है जिसको नहीं चाहिए? एजुकेशन इज ऑलवेज फ्लरिश. एजुकेशन शुड ऑलवेज फ्लरिश. Your hard work is reflecting on your progress. Is my hard work is also reflecting. My students are making good sentences. They are understanding me. They are getting compatible to me. Is it? When you do hard work, then you easily move in a good progress. Progress is the most important part of the life. China has progressed day by day in the technology. And what about Japan? कभी आपने किसी ने सोचा है कि हमें जापान जाना? Which is heaven? Progress is the fuel of today's life. हेवन कौन है अभी अरविंद, आपके 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 अकॉर्डिंग? हेवन जाना है? चलो फिर आपको हेवन मिलेगा जरूर, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा. ओके. डोंट. डोंट का मतलब क्या होता है? डिस्करेज. मतलब जब तुसी किसी ਨੂੰ ਨਿਰਾਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਨੂੰ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. फ्राइटन ਉਹਨੂੰ डरा दे ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ. एजिटेट ਉਹਨੂੰ खिजा ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ. इंटीमिडेट मतलब उसको इंटीमेट करना किसी को कि ये तेरी, तो उसे वार्न कर देना कि ये तेरी लास्ट है. ठीक है. यस, जापान इज द मोस्ट प्रोग्रेसिव कंट्री इन द टेक्नोलॉजी. Progress is the way of each success. I check many of the sentences. I try to check even. कोई रह जाए तो फिर वो तो होता है कि फटाफट से कोई निकल गया. All other progress is secondary and dependent. All other progress is secondary and dependent. तो फिर पहले बताओ कौन सी मेन प्रोग्रेस है, वो तो बता ही नहीं. When you eat healthy food, you can easily progress in our health. भाई खाते तुम हो, करता वो है. When you eat healthy food, you can easily progress. प्रोग्रेस भी नहीं आता, फिर इंप्रूव आता है. यू कैन इजिली इंप्रूव योर हेल्थ. कुछ चीजें होती हैं जहां पे नाउन मतलब अगर बॉडी है तो उसके साथ इंप्रूवमेंट आती है, आपकी हेल्थ में इंप्रूवमेंट आती है. आपका फ्यूचर जो है उसमें यू प्रोग्रेस इन योर करियर, उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं होती, उसमें ज्यादा अच्छा वर्ड होता है प्रोग्रेस. सो ऑन द नाउन इट डिपेंड्स दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ अ वोकैबुलरी नीड्स टू बी यूज्ड. Progress depends upon our daily routine. Neighbors always discourage other children to achieve her goal. Neighbors always discourage other children to achieve goals. Her goals. हर गोल नहीं, कोई पर्टिकुलर एक कुड़ी नु थोड़ी कहंदे हैं, मतलब हर एक के लिए होता है ना. तो जनरलाइज स्टेटमेंट. इंडियन इकोनॉमी ग्रोथ इंडियन इकोनॉमी ग्रोथ आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन. ये क्या इज मार्चिंग टूवर्ड्स द ग्रोथ आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन, वो तो बना भी. Our progress depends upon our deeds. चलो प्लीज ये वर्ड हो गया, बहुत है. Because when I let you know make the sentences, you start making number of sentences. But the thing is that we have to cover the syllabus also. We have to cover the different words also. So I can't, you can say, I can't make you go and go. I have to make you stop somewhere. Okay. Please come to the word. मैंने डोंट पढ़ाया था, आपने इसका कोई सेंटेंस नहीं बनाया. डिस्करेज, फ्राइटन, एजिटेट, इंटिमिडेट. ठीक है रवीना. We don't discourage every person. We should not discourage every person. Discouraging an individual is next to the crime. You need to improve your speaking also. Yeah, it can be done with the help of interaction, live interactions. I put you the question and you need to answer that question. I will ask ma'am that should we have like the, you can say, online class session in which the students are allowed to speak. So we will be going with the speaking. डोंटलेस का मतलब यही होता है जिसमें हम क्या कहते हैं कि डोंट करना मतलब किसी को टॉन्ट मारना, उन्हें चुप करना, उन्हें डिस्करेज करना. We should not daunt any person. Yes. एजिटेट का क्या मतलब है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, वश में करना नहीं होता। डोंट मतलब होता है किसी को डिस्करेज करना, किसी को। इज बैड हैबिट टू डोंट एनी पर्सन। We don't use don't anyone who takes sincere his targets. ये क्या बना रहे हो? यूएसए बीइंग परमानेंट मेंबर इन द यूएनओ इजीली डोंट। द नहीं आएगा, द होता है पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए। यू विल से इजीली डोंट अदर नेशंस। Discouragement of anyone can be the reason for someone's failure. Shri got agitated when he had. Stop agitating your younger brother. He is just 10. He is always ready to demotivate. Yes, it's demotivate. Demotivate होता है जब किसी को मतलब मोटिवेट करना क्या, हल्ले शाही देना ना। When you boost a confidence in someone. Paricha ma'am, don't our students? When I discourage your students, do I do? Thank you for favoring me that I don't demotivate anyone. I always motivate you people. सेंटेंस तो देख के बना लिया करो। We should not be daunt in our difficult times. We should not daunt। क्या बना रहे हो? We should not discourage। Parents always inspired children to become a successful person in life. We should always initiate the talent of others rather than daunting them. Don't daunt anyone, try to motivate. He is always ready to agitate everyone. Don't daunt the students to achieve their goals. Can we make such type of a sentence? Don't the students. Don't discourage the students to achieve their goals. Otherwise, they will not be able to achieve their goals. Don't are the negativity which distract the students the most. Don't डोंट इनकलकेट्स नेगेटिविटी, ऐसे लिखो वो इनकलकेट करती है नेगेटिविटी, मतलब क्या है, इनकलकेट मतलब वो पैदा करती है नेगेटिविटी जो डिस्ट्रैक्ट करती है स्टूडेंट्स को द मोस्ट। The threat of lightning did little to daunt local golfers. Rosha ma'am never, Richa ma'am never daunt their students. Instead she always guiding and correcting. She is always guiding and correcting her students. Their students नहीं, her students. Egoistic person always daunts the weaker than them. Be happy ma'am. नहीं होती हूँ मैं खुश, क्या मैं मतलब गुस्से वाली बनी के रहती हूँ? Do you people feel that? Daunt is not bad in every field of life. Daunting is not bad in every aspect of life. It's just the way you speak. It's not like that I am having a, you can say, very arrogant behavior. No, not at all. चलो ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ लिखते रहते हो, मुझे पता लगता रहता है कि आपको क्या लग रहा है ना, while I am having interactions with you, how you people are feeling. अब खुश करना शुरू कर देते हैं, नाइस बिहेवियर मैम। चलो थैंक यू जी, एक्सीलेंट है तो भी अच्छा है, नहीं है तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट आई विल बी ऑलवेज गुड टू यू पीपल। वी वांट टू गो फॉर अ नेक्स्ट। अच्छा जी, भूखी भूखी लग गई है आपको डिनर की? Okay, then this word is dainty is the word which you are going to you do by yourself. Okay, fine. This is the only word which you are going to do by yourself, and next we will be having the class by tomorrow and we will discuss other things in the class. Take care, welcome. Yes, there is a lot of difference. Ask me tomorrow in the class, I will be giving you the answer of this question. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day or have a nice evening. Get ready for your next class after having your dinner. Bye. Take care. Bless you all. May God bless you all. And you all are able to fulfill your dreams. We will be very happy to see that. Extremely happy that my students are doing good.